Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to my channel. So today I am gonna be sharing with you guys my room. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick small tour. I've done a room tour before, however that was like a year ago, and I feel like my room looks a lot more different. I kind of like it a lot more. I do wish I could change a lot of stuff, specifically the walls. I hate that in between color. I just don't like it. If it was up to me, I would paint the walls ASAP. I would honestly get rid of the carpet. However, we do live in apartments and I can't do that. And we only have about 5 months left here in Texas, so I wanted to share with you guys really quick what has changed. So I guess we're gonna start off right here. This mirror is from Walmart. Believe it or not, it was only $40. So moving on to the right, I have these little cubicles. These are 6 cubes. I have 2 of them stacked up. These I got from Target for only $20. I did get them on sale. And in here I just have a few of my favorite items. Surprisingly, there's a few I've never ever worn, which is really weird considering they're my favorite items. I'm literally one of those kids that wants everything but won't play with everything. You know what I mean? So moving on, these frames, I actually created them not that long ago. I'm super in love with them. I posted them on Instagram. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, make sure you do at Nathaly Raya. So I printed these out myself. This little guy I made myself with a Sharpie. The "Joy doesn't share food" has been one of my favorite quotes ever. It is honestly my screensaver on my phone, and it has been for the past 2 years. Now this map actually makes me really happy. I realized I haven't been to many states, but anyways, that is my DIY frame decor. This little stool honestly tricks me a lot. Definitely not a huge fan of it. Will not work as a step stool. If you move just a tiny bit to the left, you'll definitely fall. Moving on to the third wall of the room, this is where I do my makeup. I have my little drawers. These are from Michaels. I believe they're $40 each. I do have 3 of them stacked together. And then I just printed out these little pictures so it could help me see where everything is located. I have a few of my eyeshadows here. I have some ColourPop, some loose glitter, NYX, BH Cosmetics, Urban Decay. The ones on this little guy, these are all actually $1. I got these from a website. Oh my gosh, I don't know why I can't remember, but I did do a review on the website and all of these items. They were all $1. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll leave the link down in the description below. This is where I have all of my lipsticks. I don't know how to organize them, so I got these little containers. By the way, I have them in every single one of the drawers, but these I got them from the dollar store. I believe they were 3 for $1. I try and have them organized by the brand name, so I have all of the Kylie's, the Anastasia, Stella, NYX, ColourPop, and LA Girl, all of my lip glosses, and then my lipsticks. I'm not going to show you guys all of the drawers just because it will take me such a long time. The top of this is where I keep my coasters. I have the Friends Complete series. I love the way that it looks. These little plants, I got them from Hobby Lobby. On top of my desk, I try and keep it kind of clean. This is where I have my little mirror. So this is what the mirror looks like. It does have the light, and I think, okay, there's like no battery in it right now. However, you would think it's cute, but every time I have it up and I'm doing my makeup, it just slowly goes down, and I don't like that because I want it to stay right there. Moving on, I have this little acrylic organizer. This is where I have all of my brushes. I did used to have a lot more stuff, but I didn't like the way that it looked. Beauty blenders and more brushes. On my drawers, this is where I keep all of my palettes. I have 2 BH Cosmetic palettes, actually 3 with that one. That is the foil eyeshadows to go, and then a Morphe palette and the Violet Voss Pro hashtag palette. And then on this side, a lot more eyeshadow palettes. I have 2 of the Too Faced palettes. This one has been my favorite for such a long time. I love the way that it smells and tastes. Call me weird, but I know there's tons of other people that have accidentally tried it and didn't regret it because it tastes so good that it will have you licking your lips. Out of these 3 Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes, the Modern Renaissance has to be my favorite. It is the one that is used the most. Prism palette would have to be my least favorite. And then I have a few Anastasia Glow Kits, and then the Sephora Pro Highlight Dimensional, and then a Tarte palette, Urban Decay Naked, and a Kat Von D palette. And that is it for this area. Oh, by the way, this chair is also from IKEA. Well, I don't know if I mentioned this, but the desk is also from IKEA. I believe it's only $80. Anyways, on the last wall, I have this little rack. you guys seen this little rack before. On this little corner is just where I keep all of my lights. I am missing one. The light bulb gave up on me and I haven't been able to reorder another one, so I just put it away for now. This is where I have all of my hats. I do have a few missing. They're in Arizona. It just seems like every time I go I seem to forget. I have this little board with tons of pictures from Phoenix and I back in the days, and then I have these cute little plants. This is where I keep all of my perfumes. Dolce & Gabbana Light and Blue has to be one of my favorite ones. My closet hasn't really changed a lot, other than I've gotten rid of over 100 items in the past 2 months. I've just been selling everything because, I mean, I don't wear it and I'm not trying to be a hoarder for life. But these are all of the other items that I couldn't get rid of, and now they're just stuck with me forever. This entire thing was full of purses. Like I've said, I sold so many items, so now I have all of my jewelry displayed down here. There was also a lot of jewelry and sunglasses that I got rid of. So here I just have a few of my earrings, some of my favorite bracelets and watches, and then up here I just have my favorite sunglasses with some necklaces that I don't wear but I just cannot get rid of. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe if you are not subscribed for more weekly videos, and I will see you guys soon. Bye guys.